Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 5 different ways to locate the Microsoft Outlook application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Outlook application, which can be installed from the portal on Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So the first way is to go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad now. Let's search for the application itself. Outlook. Enter to open up the application. Once that is loaded on screen, they should pop up on screen. Once you sign in, you can then start sending and receiving the emails. Let's now close the Outlook application for the first time. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. If the application itself is available via the dock, we can click on this to open up Microsoft Outlook for the second time. We can now close out of Outlook. And so the third way to open up the Microsoft Outlook application on a Mac computer would be to go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Applications. We can then search for this. If we see on screen, yes we do, click on this, double click to open up Microsoft Outlook. Let's now close the Outlook application. It's also Quit Finder. And so the fourth way to open up the Outlook application will be a spotlight search. Command and space, search for Outlook. Enter to open up the application. And there we go. So we can now quit Outlook for the fourth time. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt. Enter to open up the terminal command prompt. Now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size. Command plus a couple of times. LS. If I were to, let's just say, navigate into the Computer Science Videos application directory and list all the content at the same time, we cannot see any applications. As we know, Computer Science Videos is not the main admin account. Let's change directory, go back to directories, cd ... ls, and there we have applications. If I now want to, let's just say, change directory into applications, list all the applications on screen, and there we go. There is Microsoft Outlook, which we will now open up. And so the command to open up the Outlook application is open speech marks Microsoft Outlook tab, enter, and Microsoft Outlook should now open up for a fifth time on screen. We can now quit Outlook. We can now clear the content on the terminal command prompt, CD, exit terminal, quit terminal. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.